Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all having a wonderful Wednesday. In today's video, we're doing a midweek Walgreens video, and there's so much stuff going on that we just have to go through it one more time. Just some really hot deals if you wish to do them, because even if you don't have the boosters, there's some freebies and cheapies and just magic in this video. So we love a good midweek over at Walgreens. If you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful if you could take a second and like the video. Thank you so much in advance, guys. Okay, so for this first deal, we are doing it in store, and we're using this digital booster if you have not used it this week, which is a 5-pack when you spend $25 on household goods. Now, at your Walgreens, if you notice, there are various items that have this tag next to it, which is an additional $10 back when you spend $30 on P&G items, and they have to be tagged. That large Dawn that's ringing up for $9.99 is in fact part of it, along with the Bounty paper towel. This is on a different promotion too, along with that promotion of the spend 30 to get back 10, of a buy 4, get back a $4 register reward. Please pay attention. It's Bounty, not Brawny. Bounty. And this is what it's going to look like, your little coupon that'll print from the machine. Is it rolling? I believe it is not, for those that are asking. But here's the quick little deal, and you must do this in store because it's involving 2 register rewards. Grabbing 4 bounties at $5.49, that's $21.96. 1 Dawn for $9.99, the larger jug. So the total here is $31.95, and we want $30 of P&G products. We've achieved that. Make sure your digital booster is loaded. What you're getting back after you pay the $31.95 plus tax with your debit, credit, or bills, you're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster, plus $14 in register rewards, $10 for spending $30 on P&G, and an additional $5 for buying 4 of those bounties. So the final cost here is $21.95 for the 5 items, or $2.59 per. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as you're using the booster of spend $25 to earn back $5. So make it happen, guys. This is quite the little deal. $2.59 per. It's a very reasonable deal. I know it's a lot out of pocket. If you might have register rewards to throw in with it, go for it, but that's the deal. Another deal I think everybody should be doing this week is with the Colgate paste and the Colgate brush at $4 a pop. Buy 2, get back a $4 register reward. Now, currently for both products, we have $2 digitals. We have a $2 for the brush and a $2 for the paste. Please make sure you have both of them loaded for this little deal, and manufacturer digitals are of a one-time use as well. So really easy math, grabbing 1 of each for $8, subtracting that $2 coupon times 2 for the brush and the paste. You're going to pay $4, get back a $4 register reward, making it free. You're doing this deal with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Pay $4 to earn that register reward. As a good rule of thumb as well, always when you walk in there, listen, is the machine printing it? And don't be shy to ask the cashier, hey, is that machine printing register rewards today? The lady in front of me, I saw her get 2 boosters. I didn't get one, but she got 2. And I knew that machine was printing, but here's what your register reward should look like. Another super deal I think you should be doing this week is these Always pads, and this is a pretty sizable little bag of pads. What's it, 36? So they're $11.99 on a buy one, get one 50% off. So we're going to grab 2 of these. And then on Sunday, we got a gift, which is a 10 off of 2, which is a very valuable coupon. So make sure you have it loaded. The 10 off of 2, also of a one-time use, my friends. So just remember that in case you're like, I'm going to do this deal 17 times. You can only do it once. IBOTTA currently has $2 back on each, so you're going to get $4 back. And I did this, I think, on Monday, and it reset on Tuesday for me. So very basic deal in store. Grabbing 2 of these for $17.98. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $7.98 out of pocket. Photograph that receipt to IBOTTA for $4 back, making it $3.98 for the 2, or $1.99 per bag of pads. And if you want to use some Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it, as long as you're doing this deal with no booster. Other very good deals in the skincare family is this Eucerin Radiant Tone, which I believe is a new product. It's usually $34.99 down to $3.49, so that's 90% off. We have a $4 digital coupon, so it makes it $2.98 for the two or $1.94 per Eucerin. It's a very good price point if you've ever been curious to try this stuff. And if you have like dark circles under your eyes, apparently it's supposed to help correct it. So I'm really excited to give this a try myself. Another super deal is the 90% off supplements. This Nature's Way Alive. You either have the men's multivitamins. This might be tagged and it might still be there in the store. IBOTTA has $3.25 back for each. So for the men's, it's free plus a 26-cent moneymaker. Just use a little bit of Walgreens cash. Limit of 2 times. I had a coupon print out of the machine, but it would not scan for these products, which was weird, maybe because it's on clearance. This is $1.19 for the ladies one. So with that same rebate, which is attaching, it's a 206 moneymaker. So a little bit better moneymaker for you with this than the men's. But don't be shy to grab these items, even if they're not tagged. Bring them to the front and ask for a price check, because one store I went to yesterday, like I found like 6 of these and nothing was tagged. So that's why whoever couponed at the store, you left all of them, and I grabbed them all. Other really cheap item is this Rip Roll. It's like a little fruit roll up gummy sour consistency thing. So yummy for 37 cents. I don't know, maybe grab 10 of them, use $3 in Walgreens cash and call that a little deal. Especially if you're a teacher, end of the earth, always fun to have little treats for the kids. And the Windex at 50% off for $2.49. Typically with cleaners, we don't get a lot of really great deals where it's like so cheap. So even at $2.49, I'll grab Windex because it's a name brand. If it was a Walgreens brand item, I'd probably just leave it at the store. But this, for $2.49, using $2 of Walgreens cash, it's a deal for me. And the final thing we're going to talk about is the McCafe Donut Shop K-Cups. This is a 10-pack. It used to be a 12, but it's $5.99. And this is one product, like on a non-sales week, it's $10. So $1 per K-Cup. It's never been that expensive. I noticed that coffee is one of the items that's just really soaring in price. So if you want to use, say, $20 in Walgreens cash, grab 4 of them and make a deal happen. Pour vous. Why not? That's it for this video, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching. Let me know how you're doing at the store, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.